Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and look at this lovely bag, and in it is some lovely yarn. So I don't know if you guys have ever heard of the Chelsea Yarn Club or Chelsea Yarn Store. They do have a podcast, and gosh, I cannot remember the name of her podcast right off the top of my head. Hopefully it's in here. I will link something below so that you guys can find it. But they are in Red Bank, New Jersey, and her name is well, her yarn shop is called Chelsea Yarns, and I got two things. I got the Chelsea Luxe Mohair in rose gold and the Chelsea Luxe single in rose gold, and I am super excited about these because, oh my gosh, she showed them online and they looked marvelous, and they looked marvelous in the bag. And I think that this is going to make a really pretty something for me. And I'm kind of thinking a hat right now. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so squishy and soft. So these are hand dyed. And it is just gorgeous. And then look at this mohair. 72% kid mohair, 28% silk. It's 459 yards. And it is in rose gold, and it is beautiful, and the halo is just insane. Oh my goodness. And this one is 100% superwashed merino, and there is 400 yards in here, so this will make a really pretty hat. Oh my gosh, can you see that together? Oh, so pretty. I don't even know if I want to use them together, but I need to, don't I? Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. I love them. So again, check out Chelsea Yarn, and I will put a link below to her website, and check out her podcast too. She's cute, really cute. So have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later.